If you've got a 1967 to 72 C10 and you're gonna do a T56 Magnum in your truck, this is something that you need. Hey everybody, this is a new product that we're happy to be selling. We've worked on this for the past 6, 7, 8 months. And what it is it's an extended high hump transmission tunnel cover for a 1967 to 72 C10. Where this is going to come into play is for any of you guys that are doing a manual transmission 6-speed into a 67 to 72 truck. That transmission shift rail is going to come all the way back to here. So the factory transmission cover, high hump cover, stops about right here. So it won't cover the complete T56 Magnum. You have to have an extended cover. This one here goes all the way back to the seat rail that sits in here. So all you have to do is trim out the floor underneath here and drill holes and mount our new extended high hump cover. Comes with all the hardware you need. You can grab them on our website now. Thanks.